Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Everybody guys, today we will take a look at the Australian dollar because on the euro currency we still see no response on the support area, and currently situation looks so that the chances become greater and greater that we will not get any response at all. And the target that we have called as long term previously, that we have discussed in our weekly research in the previous week, in reality could become not as long term as it was initially, so market maybe will reach it rather sooner, at least sooner than we expected. Well, that's why currently we probably should pay attention to our tactical setups. Yesterday we have discussed the New Zealand dollar, and right now we have to say that yesterday New Zealand dollar has made a significant step up. And currently, if you'll take a look at the weekly chart of the New Zealand dollar, you'll see that the double repo, if market will close where it stands right now, will be confirmed. But still, we need to wait with the closing price of the week to get absolutely sure, to get the confidence to be absolutely sure that this double repo has been confirmed. And that's the first hour tactical setup. Second hour tactical setup stands on the Australian dollar, and today we will take a look particularly at this currency. Just to remind you, our major, the core of our context stands mostly on the higher time frame charts. Why we in general have decided to think about the taking long position here. Because if we'll take a look on the monthly chart and the weekly chart, you'll see that on the monthly chart, Australian dollar has completed this all times A, B, C, bottom D pattern, this huge pattern, okay? And has turned to the retracement down. Right now, on this retracement, market has hit very strong support area. It includes the target of this A, B, C top pattern, D 1618 extension. Market has reached the major FIB support, 7950 area. It's the 618 FIB support from this low to this high, 618. FIB level. Also take a look that this is monthly pivot support 1. So in general, this reaching of such support on the monthly chart should lead at least to the minor bounce on the monthly chart. But as you understand, what we are called minor on the monthly chart, on the daily charts could be absolutely not the minor. It could be really, if not the major, but at least this could become the valuable retracement, meaningful retracement that will let us to stand with this position a couple of weeks, I suppose, at least a couple of weeks, or maybe longer. That's why this is the background of our setup. Now if we'll take a look at the weekly chart, you also could take a look at this ABCD pattern. So on the weekly chart of Australian dollar, we have this A, B, C top. Market first has hit 618, retracement. Now it has reached the 100%. So simultaneously we have the completion of this ABCD pattern with this 100% target. And take a look that the CD leg of this ABCD looks much flatter, and usually that tells that at the point of the completion of the ABCD, when the target 100% extension target stands, a significant retracement could follow from this ABCD pattern. That's another reason. So we have two targets right now around major FIB support, and that is also the monthly pivot support 1. So we will check the overbought oversold, but I suppose that hardly markets oversold here, right? It's not that oversold on the monthly and the weekly chart. Finally, on the daily chart, we have the setup that we are particularly watching for. That is possible double repo buy pattern. So we have the perfect thrust down. So market has shown close above the 3x3, right at the bottom, and it has hit the support area. Close below and creating the new lows. It means that the breakout traders that have taken the short position on the breakout of these lows right now stands trapped with their short positions here, with the stops somewhere above this high. And right now we need to get only the close above again. That will confirm the double repo, and double repo pattern could become precisely the pattern that will trigger the retracement up. Initially, we will take a look at the minimum target of the double repo, the 50% level of this thrust. Okay, but potentially this could lead to appearing of greater and greater patterns like the fractals work. So the smaller ABCD could become the initial part, maybe like of the larger ABCD, and so on and so on. So the double repo could become just a first initial triggering pattern that could trigger the significant retracement, where the market could follow with a couple of weeks or even with the months. Who knows? Because support on the monthly chart seems really not weak. There's really significant support on the monthly chart. If you'll take a look at the hourly chart, especially on this part on the hourly chart, you'll see that it takes the shape of the double bottom pattern. That's really good because, in fact, you have the hourly reversal pattern right at the bottom, in the second part of the double repo. So the second bottom of the double repo takes the shape of the double bottom on the hourly chart. So when we will get the close above the 3x3, maybe it will happen today, maybe tomorrow. After that, all that we will be able to do is just watching and checking monitoring the patterns for possible failure. So initially we have to get close above the 3x3. Later we should get the confirmation from this double bottom. Particularly speaking, we would like to get the breakout through the neckline. That will be another confirmation that this double repo has the solid base, and that is really the double repo that really has some bullish power that really could push market higher and lead market to real retracement on the monthly chart. So we need the confirmation from this pattern. We need to see that it will start to work, and after that as usual, we need to monitor this pattern on possible failure, because any pattern could fail, and that we do not want to get. But still, we have to keep an eye on them and be ready, and just be very careful for possible failure signs of these patterns. That's also possible. That's just a part of the game. That's our setup on Australian dollar, and in a short-term perspective, it really looks very attractive. So we hope that this could provide the solid context for trading, especially right now when the gold stands not bad. In fact, you know that the Australian dollar is the gold currency. As gold stands shows also some upside action, and it holds above the key 1170 area. The chances on the Australian dollar on the possible retracement is not really as bad as it could seem on the first glance.